What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi calling not working issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and open quick settings panel and then click on this power icon. Now here click on restart and then again click on this restart icon to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the Wi-Fi calling will start working properly, but if you are still facing the issue, then turn on and off flight mode. So for that, open quick settings panel again. Now click on the flight mode icon and turn it on and off 2 to 3 times. And after doing this, the Wi-Fi calling will start working. But if still the Wi-Fi calling is not working properly, then the next solution is check for software update in your phone. So for that, open settings, scroll down to the end and click on software update, and then click on download and install. Now click on download option here to download the latest version of software in your phone. And after updating your phone software to latest version, all the apps and software glitches will be fixed and Wi-Fi calling will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is factory data reset. So for that, open settings, scroll down and click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset. Now click on factory data reset option on the last, and then again scroll down to the end and click on this reset option to confirm. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset your mobile back to factory default and it will delete everything from your phone. So if you're sure, then tap on reset, and after resetting your phone, the Wi-Fi calling will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.